What is up everyone, how you doing, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A03s headphone jack not working problem or earphones are not connecting problem. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new on this channel. So to fix headphone jack not working or earphones are not connecting with your Samsung Galaxy A03s device, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.